So someone's experiencing God's wrath, is what I'm seeing here. It seems like whoever this person is may have been some sort of bully of yours. They tried to bully you or they were bullying you or something like that. It seems like whoever this person is, they have been gossiping, trying to embarrass you. It seems like whoever this person is may have been collaborated or working with or speaking amongst a group of people. Number 68, number 45 could definitely be significant, but I'm definitely seeing some sort of collaboration where this person has been working with people, other people. I feel like this person may have been someone that you felt like you can trust. You may have been some sort of alliance with whoever this person is. You could have been honest with this person in some form of fashion, but regardless of what they try to do, this gossiping is a form of witchcraft. Okay, sending negative energy towards you guys. And I feel like you are in this energy of perseverance. There's an energy of you overcoming some sort of blockage, just overcoming some sort of challenges. There's an energy of I miss you out here. This could be someone that may have. I feel like this is someone that's no longer in your life because the first thing I thought about, I'm like, okay, maybe somebody passed away or someone's getting ready to pass away because I'm seeing an energy of loss. And then I see I miss you, like as if someone is passing away or something like that, is what I'm seeing here. Um, let's get into it a little bit further. Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy, see what the heck is going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I had to go ahead and put in my spiel. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. I could be speaking of a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Okay. I had to definitely greet you guys and let you know who I am. All right. So if this reading resonates, or any of the other readings that may resonate, go ahead and hit a thumbs up. Leave your girl a comment. Personal readings will forever be in the description box below. Clarify this bully energy. Hello, this could be someone that you recently met. Clarify one more for bullying. This may be someone that you possibly didn't know for a long period of time. This could also be someone that you possibly were in a commitment with or in a connection with. All right. Okay, so there seems like the connection may have been moving quickly. It might have been some sort of quick connection. 43, number 3 could be significant. All right, at the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing that you were single. There's an energy of being single, sexy, and successful. This is what this person's seeing you as. Clarify this collaboration. Number 45. What is this collaboration? It's definitely an energy of manipulation. Is what I'm showing here. Like I stated before, there was an energy of someone talking to other people, and it seems like there was some sort of gossip amongst a group of people. But I'm seeing that there was an energy of manipulation. So these people were being manipulated. Number 48 could definitely be significant. I'm seeing somebody receiving a message of surprise. Like these people are being manipulated to come against someone because of something someone else is saying. Mm. And also, why do I feel like with this hello and the commitment, it's almost like an energy of someone new entering in a commitment, entering in the commitment or connection you guys have. All right. Clarify this alliance energy. What do we need to know? I'm seeing that there is definitely an energy of animosity. Whoever this energy is was definitely someone that you thought that you could trust, like I stated, that you could be honest with, that you may even been compatible with. It seems like this person held some sort of animosity, especially when it comes to you. This person has some sort of entity attachment to them, is what I'm seeing here. There's an energy of someone feeling one way about one person, and the other person feel another way, is what I'm seeing here. Number 79, number 49 could be significant. Can I grab one more for alliance? This could also talking about people outside the connection having some sort of animosity towards the commitment or connection you guys had. But it's all due to the what this person have been talking about. Whoever this person is that been pulling the strings that you were possibly in a commitment with. Now, with this commitment, it could have been like a relationship. It could have been something, like I said, it could be romantic or platonic. It could be some sort of friendship or something like that. That someone may have been talking about you, but like I stated before, they're getting ready to experience God's wrath. One more, please, Spirit. Mm. I'm seeing third party stitch. Mm. That's what I'm seeing here. But like I stated before, I am definitely seeing an energy of you guys persevering. pure persevering past all of this is what I'm seeing here. I don't know if this happened or not because I'm seeing distant future. I'm seeing like there may be some sort of conflict here. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further. What else do we need to know in regards to God's wrath and I miss you? I'm seeing you guys having taking a leap of faith in a different direction with this full energy. There's an energy of innocence here. So these people have been talking behind your back. Whole time you are the innocent one. I'm seeing you receive the victory overall. There's an energy of you having the advantage. There's an energy of you guys are triumphing. Like you moving on scot free. I'm saying like thing you have like you know how when people separate from people and somebody's life stayed the same or get worse and the other person's life it progresses and it grows and it get better. That's what I'm seeing here. What else do we need to know, please, spirit? Yep. I'm seeing this energy is coming out. Someone's coming out as the wounded warrior. Okay. It seems like you've definitely learned some sort of lesson or seen things the way that you've seen things the way that exactly for what it is. All right. There's an energy of you having some sort of courage, is what I'm seeing here with the strength card. It seems like you have inner strength. All right. It seems like it's a lot of you overcoming a lot of self doubt, especially when it comes to those people talking behind your back. All right. And you may have, after a while, started feeling self conscious about yourself. Whoever you are, you could possibly have air in your chart. Strong Aquarius energy could definitely be significant. All right. And I'm seeing at one point of time, you possibly want to come to some sort of compromise, but I'm seeing at the end, I'm seeing you just simply walking away. All right. I'm seeing an end of conflict, and disagreements and things like that and petty squabbling. I see it like whoever you are, you just simply turned your back on whoever these people are, this person is. All right, and I see karma coming out. There's energy of karmic justice, justice where people will be held accountable for their actions. This comes with some sort of life lesson as the wheel turn in your favor. All right, I'm seeing that there's an energy of decisiveness here. I'm seeing an energy of you guys having this good luck. Like I said, as one person's life or people's life will make a drastic change for the worse, someone else is going to make a drastic change for the better. We have the Ace of Cups out here, where it's in the beginning of romance and the beginning of happiness, love, joy, and things like that. We have the Star, which speaks of, inspiration. I was going to say, like, maybe you might step into some sort of limelight or something like that, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of healing. There's an energy of rejuvenating. All right, and having faith in the future after being backstabbed, betrayed in some form of fashion. This person was definitely bad mouthing you. This energy is someone that is very bitter, and it seems like you and are obtaining a new financial beginning or having new financial opportunities. I'm seeing a new job out here, new business. All right. We also have a new beginning, especially when it comes to just inspiration. I don't know. I guess you could be starting new businesses or having new ideas or something like that. Because whoever you are, you're very intuitive. I'm saying you may have found some sort of new passion or something like that. I'm seeing that you have potential, but there's energy of growth, and okay. And I'm seeing the tower out here, so it looks like something is happening or getting ready to happen unexpectedly. Clarify this tower. Clarify this tower. All right. So all this is I'm saying all of this is happening unexpected. With God wrath, it seems like no one is expecting all of these changes to happen. That's what I'm seeing here. All right. I feel like there may have been someone that may have been teaching someone. There was some sort of apprenticeship. Okay. Someone was definitely determined to make things right, but then the other person, I guess, was not. All right. There was some sort of collaboration. Maybe this is someone that you worked with. Okay. Like I stated, work with, you could have been in a relationship with, you could have had a friendship with, but nonetheless, I am seeing you moving forward, or I'm seeing forward planning. There's an energy you having self confidence. I see you spend a lot of time to yourself with this Hermit card. There's an energy of solitude here. Receiving inner guidance is what I'm seeing here. All right. Patience being the virtue, especially when it comes to you, especially when it comes to your wish fulfillments with this Nine of Cups. I see you obtaining wish fulfillments. There's an energy of positivity, joy, happiness, dreams coming true, and someone in regret, wanting to come back. Okay. Want to, give some sort of apology. They might be talking about, I miss you. And I see you refusing this person offer. This being a missed opportunity, especially when it comes to this energy. I see it seems like there is some sort of negativity. They put a bad taste in your mouth. We have the Ace of Swords out here clarifying this, okay? Ooh, anything else? This person already showed themselves. Yep, and judgment being called. I'm seeing that you're focused on a renewal. That's what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing big changes and opportunities rushing in toward you. All right. After a period of possibly feeling overburdened, overloaded with stress and problems. Whoever you are, you could possibly even have Earth in your chart, Capricorn towards Virgo, but it is coming out as the Ten of Cups. I'm seeing the Ten of Cups out here. I don't know if this may be family as well. Could have something to do with this, or this could just simply talking about you having some sort of family or something tied to a family where there was an energy of restriction, feeling trapped. Okay. Did we speak about being feeling trapped or something or feeling confined? I don't know. That might have been a previous reading, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of restriction here. Possibly it's like an energy of people possibly wanting you to be backed in a corner or something like that. It seems like they don't want you to flourish. They don't want you to be great. I've seen people in the Nine of Swords, regret, remorse, anxiety with the Nine of Swords because they're experiencing some sort of loss. There's an energy of loss and grief and sadness and despair and feeling unwelcome, especially when it comes to your new beginning. Ooh, it seems like these people have addictions. All right. There's energy of mental health issues. Some of them could be going through depression or have depression or something like that. And I see you in this energy of being single, independent. All right. There's energy of prosperity. Wealth, hard work, and happiness with the sun card, positivity, freedom, joy. Okay, because whoever you are, it's like you're standing in your energy of. I'm seeing you in this energy of self-expression or something like that. There's an energy of you being open. There's an energy of you being free to be whoever you are. And not having to deal with these people that with this self-sabotaging behavior, underhanded behavior. You abandon all of that. You abandon all that, that bullying and intimidation, abuse, violence, crime, information, energy. Yeah, possibly even with a friendship or something like that. Or a masculine that you thought was a friend. Or this could be like I stated, a third party situation with a masculine that you were leaving behind. Again, there's energy betrayal, Seven of Swords, that you leaving behind, cheated, stole, lied, deceived, you know, dabbled in risky behavior. All right. Yeah, somebody being left out in the cold. I'm seeing an energy of hardship. Okay. I'm seeing like someone else experiencing negative changes in their circumstances and feeling left out in the cold, experiencing some sort of financial loss, especially when it comes to possibly employment or finances or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here. Um, I feel like somebody gonna want to talk to you or communicate with you. Fire sign could be significant. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also seeing an earth sign. This is definitely someone that you could have possibly been in a connection with. All right. Because Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles out here. All right. I'm seeing the Empress out here. Divine feminine energy. I'm seeing that things moving in divine timing for you with this Knight of Pentacles. Again, it seems like it's like over time things are happening. It seems like whoever you are, you're very reliable and patient. I'm also showing that there is a water sign out here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Their energy is coming out as someone as being hasty, especially in regards to making decisions. All right. This energy is someone that is a debater. I'm seeing an energy of someone juggling resources and finances. And it might not even just be resources and finances, it could be juggling emotionally as well. All right. That's what I'm seeing here. Mm-hmm. I'm seeing dealing with this person, it seems like they have healing that they need. It seems like they have childhood wounds and issues they need to heal. This is a broken individual that experienced some sort of sexual abuse. Someone who doesn't plan for tomorrow, possibly wanting to come in and make things right with you, possibly wanting to apologize to you or something like that with this Knight of Cups too. This could actually be somebody that wants to extend some sort of offer to you. All right. But I'm seeing here with this Ten of Pentacles, you guys getting ready to receive some sort of unexpected financial windfall or something like that. Some sort of lump sum of money. Y'all about to receive some Ten of Pentacles energy out here. Some sort of large lump sum of money. We got the Temperance card out here. Again, an energy of being patient. I'm seeing the Temperance angel out here. I'm seeing there's an energy of things being balanced. I'm seeing a King of Cups energy out here as well. Pisces, strong Pisces. They're coming out with someone from the past. Six of Cups energy out here. Nostalgic energy. and someone having a decision possibly in the past. I'm seeing they're seeing things coming into fruition for you as well. Some sort of manifestation of your ideas coming into fruition. I'm seeing like there is an energy of someone possibly feeling trapped in some sort of situation. Or being, yeah, there's an energy of someone being feeling trapped or being trapped in a situation that they need to release, that they have not. As you guys obtain good news, especially when it comes to earthly matters, someone is going through a spiritual transformation after being let go, after some sort of ending. And it's like it's sudden, unexpected. They're watching. Somebody's going to be, these people going to be watching. So it's more than one person? Because I did say a collaboration. So it is more than one person here, you guys. I'm seeing stalemate. I was going to say stalemate. Stalemate energies is what I'm seeing out here. Where people felt like if they had to make difficult decisions, especially when it comes to treating you right or being choosing you versus the people that they were choosing or collaborating with. They felt like it was a difficult decision to make. All the while, it seems like whoever you are like some sort of powerful manifester. It seems like you are good with a group or not. There's an energy of self-employment here. There's an energy of standing alone. I'm seeing an energy of you manifesting your desires. The number one could definitely be significant here. This could you could possibly be a life path one or something like that. But I'm seeing your magic working. Your manifestation is working. The way that you're doing it is working. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle with the world card, a successful completion. There's an energy of the snake eating its own tail. What goes around comes back around, and I'm seeing you being protected or having some sort of boundaries up. Standing up for what you believe in, standing your ground, protecting yourself is what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to things and people, these people. Because I'm seeing a lot of secrets, illusions, and things like that. I'm seeing some things may have also been revealed to you in your dreams. Yeah, because you're coming out as the high priestess or high priest. So, which means you receive spiritual insight. You were being led in regards to what was going on behind the scenes. That's what I'm saying. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.